Hey Brandon, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. Just wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you what we're talking about, what we'll be doing as far as pushing your site, like how we do this. It's going to be three things. It's going to be number one, content on your website. Number two, it's going to be backlinks. These are other websites that link to yours. And then the third thing is your name, address, and phone number for your business on as many online directories as possible to push past what your competitors have. So just jumping in real quick. First off, you've got a great looking website. Love the video in there. Color scheme's really nice. There's some content that we're gonna need to adjust and get some additional content on here, but overall, it's looking really nice. Really love your logo and everything. Just looking at what I'm finding on the search side. So Gems Fort Smith AR. That is one of the biggest volume keywords there is on, that's in your same industry. So looking at what that looks like, so when I put that in, Google pulls this up in the map section. It's got Planet Fitness, 10 Gym, and River Valley Fitness. This is what we want to change. We want to do things that's going to push you guys up in this map section. One of the things that we focus on for that is your Google business profile. Adding keyword-rich description in there, adding additional photos that have keywords in the actual photo names. These sorts of things will help push you up in the search rankings in this map section. It also helps in your organic section as well. So WC Fit is in the number one spot in the organic. Then you've got Yelp and 10 Gym down here as well. So looking at what we need to do there, let's look at just another thing. I know we talked about doing kind of a sports and spa theme on your website to try to bring in some of these other services. So Fountain Gate, Affinity Day Spa, and Fort Smith Wellness are in this high search volume keyword up here. And you can see Affinity's in the number one organic section. So that's what our competitors look like on kind of the spa wellness side. And there's some other keywords as well. So we'll look at that. Looking at WCF site, it's comparable to what you guys have color scheme wise. I like yours better. Theirs is really red themed. They've got some content on there with some keywords worked in. And it's not anything that we can't beat. They don't have a whole lot. If you look at 10 Gym, similar thing. Theirs is a little bit brighter. I think it's a little bit easier on the eyes. And they've got just some things laid out nicely in profile stuff. You can see Gym Fort Smith right there, and that's a keyword. They've done some things to add some additional content. Again, nothing too much that we can't beat, or that we're not going to overtake. Looking at the spa side of things, similar thing, really nice looking on their site. Not a whole lot of content, so that gets reflected over in what I'm going to look at next. And so this is where you are currently. So I've got your URL typed in here. This is a program called Ahrefs that allows me to see the search volume. It allows me to see the backlinks coming into your site, what keywords you're being found for currently, and just how strong your site is generally. So this 16 to 0.1 is what we're going to build a lot of strength in that. That's going to be by getting specific backlinks that are powerful for you. If you look into this and look at what actual keywords you're being found for, your site is picking up some. It's just you don't have enough links coming to it to pick that up, and then you need more content to pick up additional search terms. Now, your competitor, WC Fit, again, their site is not much stronger than yours, but you can see they've got a whole lot more keywords being picked up. And you can see that just over the years, they've got kind of a steady pace of moving up, but nothing that we can't overtake. Looking at the keywords that they have is, Gyms Fort Smith, they're in number one position, World Class Fitness, that's their name. Gyms in Fort Smith, 200 searches a month. I like seeing that. 250 searches a month on this, and they're in the 1 or 2 positions. So fairly difficult keywords. It's going to take a little bit of time. I like to find keywords that have that 0 to 5 keyword difficulty. That's going to allow us to just rank for those faster. But within a year's time, we can push past these guys in the search ranking, sometimes faster. But that's just kind of what it's looking like. Personal trainers in Fort Smith, 40 searches a month. That's a keyword of 3 or difficulty of 3. I like seeing things like that. So we add all of this search volume up, and it starts to get some big numbers, some into the thousands of searches a month for the services that you provide. Looking at Affinity Day Spa, you can see they have 153 organic keywords, only 18 referring domains, and there's this URDR 12 and 0. Really, they need to do some work because they're fixing to get beat by us and what we do. So, really like seeing that your competitors are low on this thing. And looking at the keywords that they're being found for, so you can see the volume on that. Spa Fort Smith, Arkansas, you got 300. Spas in Fort Smith, 300. Difficulty of 4. These are things that I like to see. Day Spa, there's another 50. Keyword difficulty of 4. And so we just look at the different services that you guys will provide and get that content on your website, get links coming to those keywords, and build your strength up and surpass these guys, and that's how you move up in the search ranking. From the citation side of things, this is your name, address, and phone number. You know, you've got 14 that you're showing up on, and your competitors have, you know, in the 20s. Not too hard to beat. We're going to go and add another 100 for you guys, just to keep your competitors always playing catch up to you, and just really beat them on every front. So again, nice looking site you have currently. Love the color scheme, the videos. We just got to get what we need to do on the content side to get you ranking higher. So my name is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing, 479-326-7899. I've got your proposal created, kind of showing all of this and what we would do for that. And I'm really excited to see where we can take you guys, you know, in this next year. Thanks.